Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply formatting colors, icons, and data bars to one or more cells based on the cell value. Let's say you have a worksheet with thousands of rows of data. It would be extremely difficult to see patterns and trends just from examining the raw information. Similar to charts and spark lines, conditional formatting provides another way to visualize data and make worksheets easier to understand. In our example, we have a worksheet containing sales data and would like to see which salespeople are meeting their monthly sales goals. The sales goal is 4,000 pesos per month. So, we'll create a conditional formatting for any cells containing a value higher than 4,000. We're going to use sort and filter to organize our data so it's easier to analyze. So, highlight the data, go to Home tab in Editing Group, click Sort and Filter. Select Sort A to Z. Select the desired cells for the conditional formatting rule. Go to Home tab, select Conditional Formatting. In our example, we want to highlight cells that are greater than 4,000. A dialog box will appear. We will type here 4,000. We're going to select green fill with dark green text. The conditional formatting will be applied to the selected cells. In our example, it's easy to see which salespeople reach the 4,000 pesos sales goal for each month. You can apply multiple conditional formatting rules to a cell range or worksheet, allowing you to visualize different trends and patterns in your data. I'll add another conditional formatting rule for any cells containing a value less than 2,000. So again, highlight the cells, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, but this time we're going to select less than. I'm going to input 2,000 and select light red fill with dark red text. Excel has several predefined styles or presets. Presets are used so that you can use it to quickly apply conditional formatting to your data. They are grouped into three categories. Data bars. They are horizontal bars added to each cell, much like a bar graph. Color scales. They change the color of each cell based on its value. Each color scale uses a 2 or 3 color gradient. Icon sets. Icon sets add a specific icon to each cell based on its value. To use preset conditional formatting, select the desired cells for the conditional formatting rule. Click Conditional Formatting, select Icon Sets, and select the desired presets. If you want to edit, modify, or delete an individual rule, highlight the data, select Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. Then select the rule that you want to edit or delete. But if you want to delete the whole rule, go to Clear Rules. You may select selected cells or clear rules from the entire sheet. All rules will be removed.